Welcome to Processed Info Channel. Let's discuss the Economic Survey 2025. Here is the first question. What is the estimated real GDP growth rate for India in fiscal year 2025, according to the Economic Survey 2024 to 25? The answer is B, 6.4%. What is the projected GDP growth range for India in financial year 2026, as per the Economic Survey 2024 to 25? The answer is C, 6.3% to 6.8%. According to the Economic Survey 2024 to 25, what was the growth rate of India's real gross value added GVA in financial year 2025? The answer is C, 6.4%. What is the projected average global economic growth rate for the next 5 years, according to the International Monetary Fund, as cited in the Economic Survey 2024 to 25? C, 3.2%. Approximately what percentage of India's GDP did the agriculture and allied activities sector contribute in FY 2024, according to the Economic Survey 2024 to 25? The answer is B, 16%. What is the estimated Kharif food grain production for 2024, as mentioned in the Economic Survey 2024-25? The answer is B, 1,647.05 LMT. Which subsector within agriculture has shown the highest compound annual growth rate, CAGR, as per the Economic Survey 2024 to 25? The answer is A, fisheries. By what percentage has the minimum support price, MSP, for AHA increased over production costs for financial year 2024 to 25? The answer is B, 59%. By what percentage has the minimum support price, MSP, for Bajra increased over production costs for financial year 2024 to 25? The answer is D, 77%. Which act, along with PMGKAY, has transformed food security policies in India? The answer is B, National Food Security Act 2013. For how many additional years has the PMGKAY's free food grain scheme been extended? The answer is C, 5 years. Approximately how many farmers have benefited from the PM Kisan scheme? The answer is C, 11 crore. According to Economic Survey 2025, what was the increase in government health expenditure? The answer is B, from 29.0% to 48.0%. How many kilometers of new railway network were commissioned recently? The answer is B, 2,031 kilometers. According to Economic Survey, how many new Vande Bharat trains were introduced? The answer is C, 17. What was the total length of national highways constructed in fiscal year 2025, April to December? The answer is C, 5,853 kilometres. Under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program, how many plots were allotted for industrial use? The answer is C, 383 plots, 3,788 acres. How did port efficiency improve in terms of container turnaround time from fiscal year 2024 to fiscal year 2025? The answer is B, reduced from 48.1 hours to 30.4 hours. By what percentage did renewable energy capacity grow year over year? And what is its current share in total installed capacity? The answer is C, 15.8% growth, 47% share. How many households were electrified under the DDU-GJY and Saubhagya schemes? The answer is C, 2.9 crore households. Under digital connectivity, how many villages gained 4G access with the rollout of 5G services across all states and UTs? The answer is C, 10,700 villages. Under the Jal Jeevan Mission, how many families now have piped drinking water? The answer is C, 12 crore families. How many houses were completed under the Prime Minister Awas Yojana? The answer is D, 89 lakh houses. In how many cities was metro and rapid rail expanded, and what is the total coverage in kilometres? The answer is C, 29 cities, 1,000 plus kilometres. Under RERA 2016, how many projects were registered and how many complaints were resolved? The answer is C, 1.38 lakh projects registered, 1.38 lakh complaints resolved. Which two major space missions are planned under Space Vision 2047? The answer is B, Gaganyaan and Chandrayaan 4 missions. What initiatives were launched to attract private sector investments in infrastructure? The answer is A, National Infrastructure Pipeline and National Monetisation Pipeline. What is the corpus of the Self-Reliant India Fund launched to support scalable MSMEs? The answer is C, 50,000 crore rupees. Which initiative supports smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 through dedicated centres in India? The answer is C, Samarth Udyog. According to the YPO Report 2022, what is India's global ranking in patent filings? Comment your answer below. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos, and it greatly supports us in creating more valuable content for you.